Hello, my little bunnies. It's your buddy or pal, DNA Bunny here, to show you another video. Now, this video is me showing you guys what's inside part 1 of my BTS album book. And before I get started, I hope y'all are having a good day. I know I am. It's always a good day on Saturday. And let's get started, shall we? Let's make sure this is part 1. Part 1. Because part 2 is the pink. I gotta see how many parts are there, but so far I have part 1 and part 2. So I'll open part 1 first. And if I have time, I'll open up part 2 as well. It was snowing a little bit earlier. But it didn't stick though, and plus it was just a little bit. So, hey. It's all good. Okay. Let's see what's inside. First page is a CD and look like a poster. So let's see. I guess I'll do the poster last. And first you see the map of Seoul. Can you see that written? It's white. And it has a pink book here. Inside is the first page. Uh-oh. Little pictures fell out. I'll save those for later. Let's see. And this is just like some squares. Here we go. First page is the group together. Nice little picture and a little white background. Here they're doing some photo pictures. I think this one has, let's see, looks like J-Hope doing different poses for the camera, which is pretty cool. You got the look like beige red, and then you got the regular in the middle, and then you got some minis. So, and you got him here. He looks like in the middle here, he's eating like something. Looks like it could have been a pretzel or some type of snack. And here he's like holding a water gun. I don't know if you guys could see that. It's like right in the middle there. And let's see, make sure I didn't skip a page. Here's Jimin with the I guess this is like the white background, and this one's like a light pink background with the light blue balloon, and he's wearing a nice little striped short with the with his when he had back in the day his beautiful light pink hair, wearing his little bracelets. So that's pretty cool. And then there's a mini pictures of him. So that's pretty cool. Guess my dog wanted to see too. You see? I believe she's a fan too. So that's why she came over here to see them in person. Well, not in person, but in the picture. Because, you know, can't see them in person unless you go to a concert or a meet and greet or a sign-in or something. But I can't afford that right now. But this is just as good. And there's J-Hope and Jimin with the white background. And oh, I just noticed J-Hope has like cactus and so look like one of those bull skulls on his shirt. And with looks like it's a striped scarf. It's like yellow and gray and blue. And he also has a bracelet too. And of course, Jimin over here with his bracelets and striped shirt. And then here they are together in their little, brothers posing pictures. That's pretty cool. And then you got Tay with the selfie stick and the phone. And this is where he had his blue hair, which that was pretty too. And if you hear a noise again, there goes my dog barking at people outside again. And here's V once again with his phone taking selfies. It looks like little mini pictures. And this one is Sugar. And he has the camera, blue and white camera, with a plaid shirt. It looks like it's like pink and a little bit of light blue in it. So they used the light colors for this, which is nice. And he has a pink background, and this is like pink and white background. And a little bit of blue on the floor here, so that's pretty cool. Then he has his little minis. And then you got Taeyeon and Sugar together. And it's just like the reddish orange background. And then they're sitting together, posing pictures, which is pretty cute. And here we got Jin. And with a perfect pink background. And he's wearing his favorite color, the light pink shirt. And I guess this is like, I forgot what green this is called, but it's like a really light green, which is pretty cool. So this is a nice picture of him. And of course, he has his little mini pictures. And of course, we got RM with his hat. And here, looks like he has like his coat covering him on the other side here with the pink and white background. This one looks like a little bit of confetti. And he's wearing look like either it's a white shirt or pink, light pink shirt. And he had the blonde hair at the time. That's a nice picture. And his minis, which is pretty cool. Then you got JK eating chocolate chip cookies, which is pretty cool. I always like that picture of him. He has his like brown hair. And of course his minis. And then you got JK, Jin, and RM, all three together, which that's pretty nice. I get the feeling there's more pictures in here, but I feel something like dropping out the book, but I got it. And this is their group picture together of Jin, RM, JK, J-Hope, Sugar, Tay, and Jimin all together in the middle, and the minis, which is pretty cool. And then this looks like some lyrics. Can't barely see them because it's like a very light pink color. It's not showing up on the camera. Yep, a picture just fell out, but that's okay. I got it. Some more lyrics. This is like basically just lyrics and stuff. And who was behind, like, you know, making this book, putting it together and stuff. So that's nice. That thing. Yeah, so this is basically, the rest of it's just lyrics and stuff. And so, and that'll be it with that. And so as for the pictures, they give you one of Sugar with the pink background. And it's like pink in the back. And it's supposed to say the map of souls. I know you can't see it, but it's right here in the white. And then they have this, is pretty cool. It's like, it's supposed to look like a negative of the boys. I think you guys can see it in the light. And this is just like, I guess it was supposed to be like some code or something that you can get on there. I don't know nothing about it. Like I said, I got this a couple years back, so I don't know. Oh, and this is awesome. And it's funny, I actually paid, or what was it, paid for a picture of this, or bid, and I actually get one in my album picture thing for free. So now I have a double, but that's okay, because maybe one of these days I do a giveaway. I'll give it to somebody who's a BTS fan just like me. And of course the mini lyric thing. And then we got these little mini lyrics. So this is pretty cool. I like this. And you can just put everything back in here, just the way it was. So that's cool. Alrighty. And then, of course, this poster. And this is a nice size poster. This is pretty cool. I like this. Very, very nice. So, that was part 1 of my Map of Souls album from BTS. And next time I'll do part 2 or some other CD opening, or depends on if I have packages. So I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. And if you guys want to, you guys can subscribe. And I hope you all have a good day or a good night, and take care of yourselves and be safe. And thank you for watching, and I love you guys. And once again, my dog is downstairs, so she won't be saying goodbye to us. So maybe in the next video. Until then, bye. See you guys next time.